These are the elevators at Bakery Office 2 at Bakery Square in Larimer/Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are 2014 to 16 Schindler 400AE elevators with HD vandal resistant. Look at the far left elevator, 2-speed doors. Pretty tall and has a hospital-sized cab. 7R. Let's see where we can go. 4. Bounce. No voice, unfortunately. 4. We'll go back down to 1. Ooh, 1R works too. 88 phone. That's what's preventing some stuff. Operation car 3. Very nice cab. I think this is a snap cab. Yeah, judging by the top of it, the friend's snap cab. HD vandal resistant. F1. There's 1R. Of course, that's going to be it.